Today we'll talk about how can you send gifts on your Flip app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first. So you just go down here, you click on profile down here, just click on it. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for, or you click here on cart. So can you just click on cart down here. So until you click here on cart, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on send a gift. Just click here on send a gift here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Here can you type name to send a gift. So add here anyone you want to send to him a gift. So can you just click on it, or can you sync your contacts here? So when you select someone you want to send a gift, you just select like this person here. So then here automatically it's going to take you here, like you see, to send here a gifts. So then you click here on continue here. So then here select type of the gift. It's going to show for you like this here. Can you search here for product here? So then here can you search for it? Then when you select it here, can you send to this person automatically? Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.